What is up, guys, and welcome to my PC build of 2015. Hold on, something's missing here. Alright, that's much better. So this will be my PC build on the parts and specs of my PC, but this won't be a tutorial or anything like that. I'm doing this so I can explain to you guys what is in my PC and what I use on my daily web browsing and all my editing and on my gaming as well. So with that in mind, let's get on to it. So just as I said before, I use this PC for just about everything. I use it for editing my videos and some web browsing. By the way, you guys should follow me on social media at the Badazzle. I also use this computer for my gaming. I don't game as much as I used to, so I don't get plenty of time, but when I do get to game, I get pretty good frame rates. On League, I get around 140 and higher, but I usually cap it there. Now going over what's in my computer, there is a 500 watt power supply which powers the entire computer. Then we have the 2 sticks of 8GB RAM from Corsair Vengeance Pro, and for my graphics card we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 960. All of this is on my Asus motherboard running with the AMD A8 6600K processor. There is also the 128GB solid state drive as well as my 1TB hard drive. I try to keep everything organized and clean with some twist ties to improve the better airflow through the PC for better performance. Now the case that carries all of these components is the DIY Solar M1R case. Overall, this PC is not the highest end PC, but it is something powerful enough to get me through my everyday activities. Everything I mentioned in my PC will be linked below. I probably spent around $850 Canadian, and converting that to American, that's probably around $615, which is quite a large difference. So that's why I mentioned the pricing between the two countries. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope to see you in the new year. See you guys later.